everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plans on Instagram. I do Merry planning in my A5 wide planner and CD stickers inserts, and for this week I am using this beautiful kit from the Pretty Pink Co. It is called Winter Blush in very beautiful plum color, and I'm using this kit for this week before Thanksgiving because I am using a different kit for my Thanksgiving. So do stick around while I put down the base, and I'll talk to you in a while. Alright, so I accidentally put in the wrong month. It should be November. So this is the week before Thanksgiving, and I felt like this kit just gave a Thanksgiving vibe. So that's why I used it for this week. And then the beautiful sidebar. You didn't have to do anything. I just laid it down. That's it for my sidebar. So good. This really cute snowman just, it just makes me so happy. That sticker. So I did put down some full boxes, and then of course I love putting. I noticed that I've been like putting like the deco in the middle part of the spreads, so that's what I'll be doing, as well as putting some other deco. Like I feel like the one like just above the washi, the bottom washi, I feel like it's empty, so that's why I fill it out with some space. And then to have some at least foil on my sidebar, I'm using the drop down snowflakes, and I think this is also from the bundle. The foil that I'm using. When I buy this kit, I buy it as a bundle, so it comes with the company foil. And then just putting out some alcohol ink swatches all around, just to like not to roughen up the edges, or I don't know. Anyways, just to put some soften the rough edges. That's what I meant. All right, so for the next page, I put down like the terrible washi on both sides. It's so pretty as well, the terrible washi. So I just love using the terrible washi that comes with a bundle, and this time I put the two huge deco together and just work around this. And I think I just put down more of the florals, and it gives, I don't know, it just gives me such a Thanksgiving vibe for this one. So I think that is it for my base spread. Just putting down more full boxes, more deco, and a lot more foil. So talk to you in the day today. All right, so let us start off with Monday. Don't you just love that deco just above where I'm putting the box? I just love that corner. So I think I also did it with some other spreads, but yeah, just loving that corner with the deco. So yeah, I was experiencing cough and colds, so that's why I have that ugh sick. That script is a customized script from Blissful Jayde Designs, and then the cute icon, that sick icon, is from Cras by Tawi. I also did take a nap just to rest because yeah, I wasn't feeling well. And then what else did I do? Oh, okay. So I was now watching. Finished season 2 and another cliffhanger. Oh my goodness, this is a really great cliffhanger once more. And then we started season 3 of The Diplomat. I found this season 3 a bit odd. There was like a recurring theme with this one, so I'm like, okay. If you know, you know. Yeah, and then on Tuesday, I was again feeling sick, so I think, take half day off work just to rest, and I took a nap. All afternoon. Yeah, I was asleep all afternoon, just because yeah, I just wasn't feeling real good. And then, well, I guess I was able to edit a haul in the evening after that long nap. And then on Wednesday, I did take the whole day off. So, this whole week I was just not feeling well. So that's why I had like 3 days of that ugh sick script. All right, and then I guess, wow, all right, I was able to film a plan with me even if I'm feeling sick. Okay, that's fine. And then I guess I was feeling better now because we went out for some sushi rotary. Um, and those cute sushi rolls are from Cras by Tawi as well. So all the scripts that you see here are from Blissful J Design. So if you do want to check out her shop, do use my code Christy15 to save. All right. So on Thursday, I was able to upload a plan with me, I believe, or a weekly journaling that I used to film. I don't film them now because I'm like, it takes so much time, and then I have so many other things to do. So I'll I'll do it when I have fewer things. All right, finished this summer storm, so it's again another like literal fiction, and it's about family drama of being rich. It's just so nice to read about rich people and their problems because they have a lot. They have a lot of drama in their lives, like they're abandoned or feeling not much love from their parents, that sort of drama. And then we did continue The Diplomat of season 3, which I said was pretty weird, but it's still okay. I still preferred season 1 and 2, but still good. And then on Friday, I did get some Starbucks, and then I had a journaling sesh. I think I did some junk journaling, and then we got some takeout from Potbellies. Yay! All right. On Saturday, I did film. Oh, I did film the advent calendar I got from Sadie Stickers. Oh, that cute. That's a like an old. Who did this? Was it Panda Bear Design? Like that those gifts. The gift sticker. I think that's from Panda Bear Design. One of the very old stickers. And then someone had a birthday party. My daughter's friend had a birthday party, so we brought her there. And then my mother-in-law wanted to go shopping, so I did bring her there. I think I also went to check out Marshalls at some time. I don't know. I was just maybe looking for gifts for my daughter because her birthday was gonna be on Monday. All right. On Sunday, I was reading The Compound. So The Compound is something like um what is it like? It's like Big Brother or one of those, reality TVs where you're like inside this place. And and it's like Lord of the Flies kind of story. That combination. It's okay. I found it okay. So I think that's a viral TikTok book as well. But yeah, it's okay. And then we had a grocery run because I was going to buy a cake and balloons for my daughter's birthday the next day. And I did wrap her gifts. I got some from Amazon, I got from Marshalls, and wherever I could find stuff. I bought her books. So yeah, I wrapped all of those ready for her birthday the next day. So that is it for this week. This is such a pretty kit. It is called Winter Blush by the Pretty Pink Co. in gold foil. And yeah, that is it for this spread. This is the full spread. So pretty. The colors, it's just so full. It just looks so full, but I just love it. And that's it for this week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.